Hi, this is David with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today we're going to demonstrate how our method, our process for drilling holes, mounting holes in parking signs that we lay vinyl graphics over. So this is a blank, it doesn't have any graphics on it, but we're going to use this for demonstration purposes. So generally what you want to do is find your center. In this case, center is 6 inches. And we're coming up 2.5 on this one. And you can mark the metal before you start. And then as you load a couple pieces of tape on, which I'll explain in a minute, you can see the mark through the tape. So you can just keep bringing the mark forward as you come up. Obviously, I'm going to use 2.5 inches, but you use whatever the specifications call for on your particular sign. We put tape down because normally there's vinyl graphics on top of here, and we don't want the vinyl to wrap around the drill bit or in other ways get damaged when we go to drill. So the tape will prevent that from happening. A couple pieces is usually good enough. Then we have a spring-loaded center punch that is over under our large format table near the measuring tape. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to put that right in the center of our mark, push down, and it will leave a starting indentation for the drill bit to catch, so your drill bit does not wander. Then, I don't like to get shavings on the floor, so I bring this trash can over. It's a 1/4 inch drill bit that can be found back by the drill in the tool chest. Then we just lock into that pilot hole that we started. Make sure we're straight up and down. Ream it out a little bit, get your filings off, remove your tape, and you should have a pretty clean hole for mounting. That's it.